If Texas is assaulted by a hurricane this season, Gulf Coast communities are a bit better prepared following the 2010 Statewide Hurricane Conference. The event was hosted recently in McAllen, addressing a host of topics such as mass care and sheltering, teaming up with private industry partners, and evacuating people and their pets. One workshop even simulated a bus evacuation with Chaos the dog.
The reason we want the big dogs towards the front is because if we think we have any chance of maybe an aggressive dog, get it off first.
The event attracted a who's who list of names of emergency responders and a visit from Texas Governor Rick Perry. Mr. Perry acknowledged the work of Texans who work tirelessly to keep everyone safe, and he remembered the former frontman of the state's emergency response division, Jack Colley.
You never had to wonder who was on the other line once you ever heard Jack Colley's distinctive voice.
Who died days before the conference.
He had that unique ability to get things out of you that a lot of you didn't even know you had in you.
About 1,900 people were in attendance.
Went very well. It was very well attended, both at the local level as well as a lot of the emergency management councils and the directors and their EMC coordinators from around the state. So we filled the exhibit hall and probably set a new record for number of attendees to a hurricane conference in the state.
Everyone seemed pleased with McAllen's hospitality.
Oh, unsurpassed. They made us feel welcome from the day we got here, not just the conference staff, but the hotels, the restaurants. People, it was obvious that they wanted us here. We had a very good showing of local people as well.
I think it has gone fantastic. McAllen has been very hospitable to us. It's been very easy to get back and forth from our hotel over here and back over to the airport. I've had nothing but a fantastic 4 days here.
Fantastic is how many locals also described the conference. They believe it was a chance to learn about the state's overall plan and an opportunity for the state to learn about some of the challenges unique to the valley, such as immigration during an evacuation.
The conference was very successful. There was a lot of folks here, and I think individuals that have never been to a hurricane conference in the valley, that usually it's outside in the area, took advantage of it, being here in McAllen in the Rio Grande Valley. I work with public health, so there was a lot of public health, new ideas, new programs that are coming forth for hurricane preparedness. So it was an overview on the new stuff that the Department of State Health Service has been working on to support locals here in this area.
Forecasters predict this hurricane season will be active to extremely active, with a probability of 14 to 23 named storms, with 3 to 7 of those possibly becoming major hurricanes. Whatever the topic discussed at this conference, the resounding message was preparation.
Prepare, prepare, prepare. And the more you prepare for it, the better it's going to run if something actually does happen.
And of course, for all your updates on the 2010 hurricane season and all the tips to keep your family safe, log on to www.mcallen.net or keep it tuned right here to the McAllen Cable Network. I'm Pedraza.